All right, let's see what Dan's got something kind of special for us here.
It is.
What do you got?
This is something special, Jay. This is the first time I've actually ever seen this. Believe it or not, this is a spalted red oak, and we were actually cutting it up for one of our timber frame beams, and as soon as I cut into it, I said, no way are we using this for a beam. I'm like, this is beautiful. So we're actually going to cut this thing open, show you what the middle of this baby looks like. We're going to build some custom benches and a picnic table for our friends.
You doing some furniture, Dan?
Let's build some furniture, Jay.
Right.
Let's dig in and see what the middle of this baby's got.
Hope it looks like the rest of it.
So believe it or not, being spalted red oak means that this log has actually been laying around for a while, and it's actually changed on the inside due to, let's say, mold, aging, anything like that. You would think that this log is soft. Being spalted, it is ridiculously hard, ridiculously hard. So honestly, we cut ours, everything is gonna be cut with a carbide blade. Cut it flat. And we're gonna actually just start peeling through this thing here and see what she looks like.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Let's see what our picnic table is going to look like, Jay. But honestly, cutting with these carbide blades, you'll see, I'll show you how flat this is. There's going to be no work to actually finish this.
A little tension in there. Let's see.
Ready?
Yep. Oh boy.
Oh boy, where's my water?
Get the water, Dan.
Where's the water? I don't know, Jay, that's going to be an awesome looking bench. I mean, you could see, this is what it's actually going to look like when you either epoxy it, polyurethane it, finish it off. For red oak, my friends, this is a beautiful cocoa brown, like you're down in Panama.
I'll take your word for it. I would like to go to Panama, though.
Now, who wouldn't want a picnic table bench look just like that?
Awesome.
It's beautiful, but somehow we're gonna have to get this off the table. We're gonna cut another 4-inch cut here, and then we're gonna turn it around and make some 2x6s out of this thing so that we can actually build the table.
That looks like a really
I'm gonna get
nice
this
cut.
one
yeah,
wet,
get that
too.
one wet too. Looks like a nice flat cut too.
I don't know, everybody gets their wood wet, they're trying to dry, so I'm doing the same.
I get it now.
You get
I
it?
totally get it now.
It's a visual.
Look at that.
I mean, think about that.
That's right. What do you think, Dr. Mike?
Fantastic.
It's Dr. Mike again.
How much would you pay for a picnic table like this?
$1 million.
$1 million
I like
from Dr. Mike.
I like you, Mike.
Yeah, lucky he's got a good job. This $50. Meet us at Paul Bunyan. It's yours.
All right.
So guys, when you're cutting slabs, I mean, use a carbide blade. You're gonna see. Look at this. There's no planing. There's not. I don't even think you'd actually need to sand this thing. If you actually look how these blades are gonna cut in some ridiculously hard wood. I mean, it is perfectly flat. And that's what you need. This way you don't need a router table, you don't need any sort of setup. You just get the cutting and making.
You know you're gonna have me sanding it.
Ah, you're gonna sand it a little bit, Jay, when you mess up the poly.
That's possible.
It's possible. Let's get the middle slabs that are actually gonna become the legs for our benches. Thank God for the Woodland Mills here.
Power lift to the rescue again.
Power lift to the rescue. Here we go. I don't even mind cutting with the power lift. We don't even need our laser system running today, but she's on and I'm not gonna hit a post. That's the most important thing. See how we did back here on the hearth, Jay. We should be centered. That's exactly what I was looking for. Because we've actually centered to make our beams, our cuts are perfect. And our pith, the heart of the beam, is directly centered where we actually want it. So let's pop this open. Let's see what this side's got to say,
Hoping
Jay.
for the same.
You're saying the same?
Got a little grub worm in here taking
I
up.
saw a little grub work. That's how you know it's old.
That's right. Watch yourself, watch yourself.
Look, son of a biscuit. Look
Yes,
at
indeed. Got more water, Dan?
that. Got more water, Jay.
Here he comes.
We're going to keep it coming. I mean, the beautiful wood. It's almost too nice of a wood to make a wood post out of it, Jay.
What do you want to do? You just save it and
Let's just
around?
save it.
Just save it.
It's a movie prop. You
Wood,
know.
wood art.
All right, let's flip this one off, and then we'll cut some pieces for the top bench. So there was a purpose on why I cut this log the way that I did, because we're actually looking to get premium 2x6s. And with my spalted redwood here, it's hard to see with all the mushrooms on it. But that's also a key indicator that, hey, maybe my wood's spalted, I got shrooms all over it. But here, if you come to the front, we're gonna cut our 2x6s here. It's actually gonna work with the grain, almost like we're quarter sawing it. So this wood is gonna be stable to be top of a picnic bench. If I actually just cut them in this direction, we would have problems with cupping. But this should be simple and easy. I'm at 12, Jay. I'm just gonna give a quick trim. Now we're going to just start taking off our 2-inch pieces. Power lift makes all that cranking go away. check out what the top of our table's gonna look like here.
I bet it's gonna be nice.
I bet it's gonna be beautiful, my friend.
That's pretty. That's fair. Oh wow.
Now, come on.
That's pretty. Oh wow.
I'm running out of water, Jay.
That's. We'll make more. Wow. That's all I can say on that.
Come on, you see what the planks of your picnic table are gonna look like.
Now that's a
And
thing.
they're perfectly smooth, perfectly cut.
That is a thing of beauty.
Other than having to let them dry, that's really all we're gonna have to do to this little project, Jay.
Wow. That's gonna be a beefy, kind of a trend with us. It'll be beefy.
The beefy
table.
trend?
Yep. Beefy.
Let's throw this over here. Give me a little room. I'm gonna let this go, Jay.
Sometimes they gotta go.
They gotta go.
Wow.
You all right?
Yeah. Just taking in the look.
Yep. And come here. So now you see what I was talking about with the end grains of this wood. You don't have curls. You don't have everything is symmetrical. This thing is going to dry. It's not going to want a cup because of the way it was cut. Not just the wood that it is, but the way it was cut.
Awesome.
Awesome. Let me come back and mow a few more pieces off. We'll call this project done.
I like that.
I just got to make sure my posts are not in the way.
Laser up.
Laser up. You checking for me?
Yeah, I'm checking
Let
for
the
you.
people check. Are we going to
right.
hit them posts?
We are far from the posts.
Next ones are, I'll probably get till 4. I'll get 2 more cuts. Couple dogs in the way, bud.
Good save, Dan.
Got it, buddy. Yielding some beautiful stuff out of this old log, my friend.
I've never seen anything like it.
So quick and easy. We just made enough material to make ourselves the coolest picnic table in town.
I've never made a picnic table.
You know, I can't remember the last time I even had a picnic.
We'll just call it a table then.
Let's just call it a table. Who knows? Maybe it'll be the inside table, Jay.
There you go.
Life is a picnic.
If you say so.
Life's a picnic here.
All right.
You see, though, how effortlessly that blade cuts through this dang log.
It's straight, straight, straight.
And it's straight. Getting a little, our dogs aren't wanting to work today, Jay.
We're getting some dog problems.
Got dog problems.
Maybe I over-oiled them.
That's it, guys. One more cut. We're done. We good and low there, Jay? I think we are.
Yep. You're good for 2.
And so far, Jay, every piece that it's come off here is beautiful.
All usable.
All usable. Every piece of this is
Oh,
usable.
that's great.
I almost want more water, Jay.
No more water. We're done. It's beautiful. Yeah, more water.
Normally we're showing you what to do, how to do it, but this time we just wanted to make sure you don't waste wood. Come up with a very cool project for yourself. But using the carbide blade, using an old log, made this whole thing simple.
That was fast, and look how straight
It
all
was
that-
fast.
So straight.
It's probably one of our shortest moves. Exactly. Examine the cuts on this thing. There's no waves. This stuff is beautiful. If you guys want to try out any carbide blades, especially the blades that we've got going on, you can drop me a link or hit me on my email, and we'll get you some.
Fantastic.
Now all we got to do, my friend, is get this stuff in the kiln, dry it, and I guess make a table.
And benches.
And benches.
I love it.
I got you the benches. You wanted a bench, there's a bench.
Thanks, Dan.
See you guys.